Hello all and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajendra. Today I'm going to address few issues which are being faced by most of the people when it comes to speaking English. Issue number 1. There are a few people who can understand English well. However, they can think better in their mind English, but when it comes to speaking, then they cannot speak effectively. Issue number 2. There are a few people who can understand English well, who can think English well. They can also speak well on the telephone. They can also speak well on any platform, but when it comes to speaking their friend or unknown people one and one, then they cannot speak effectively or they cannot speak confidently. Issue number 3. There are a few people who know English well, who can speak confidently on telephone or on any online platform. However, when it comes to address a group of people, then they cannot address that group of people. Now, you can figure out that there is a one common thing in all those scenario. What is that common thing? The common thing is that all of the people are or all of that people can understand English well, they can think English well, and they are now in the position to speak the front person, and that is where the most of the people are not doing good. Like few of the people cannot pass their thoughts effectively or confidently on the telephone. There are a few people who cannot pass or they cannot put their thought effectively confidently on telephone, or they cannot put their thought before any group. That's the problem, and that problem happened due to the confidence. Trust me, yes, that problem is being happened with you due to the confidence. So it's time to develop your confidence. It's time to build a good confidence, and the confidence is only one key which will help you to speak effectively confidently before any mob, any group, on the telephone, on any platform, online platform. Trust me, I'll tell you one example for better understanding. There are many people who can sing well. There are many people who can dance well. There are a few people who can play any sport well. So let me know, whenever you play any sport, whenever you sing, whenever you dance, do you feel that you don't have a confidence? You can say that, oh no, because I know that I'm good at singing, I'm good at dancing, I'm good at that sport. That is why I don't require to boost someone, because I'm enough in the position to deliver or do that activity confidently. Why? Because you believe on your abilities, you believe on your singing, you believe on your dancing, you believe on your playing abilities, and that is why that confidence come and you can do that thing better. And that is what you have to do with your speaking. Because you know better English, you can think better in English. Now it's time to believe on your capability. It's time to believe on your English capabilities, and you have to say yourself that, oh, I'm good enough in the English. Now it's time to perform. Now only the thing is to perform it. However, see, try to take an opportunity wherever you will get an opportunity to address the people, address the group, or whenever you get an opportunity to connect with the people one on one or online or on telephone. Try to connect with them confidently, and once you will become successful to address that group of people or to connect with the people one on one, then it will help you to boost your confidence, and that thing will tell you that, oh, now you can do a better in speaking. Then for the next time when you try to address the group of people, then uh, believe me, you can speak effectively confidently, and you can address that group. And if someone fail to address that group of people, then it will help you to explore the areas where you are lagging, or what are the areas where you need to put few efforts. And once you can put few efforts on that areas, I'm damn sure that the next time you can address the group of the few people, or you can confidently address group of people, you can confidently speak to the people one and one on the telephone, on any online platform. And that is the thing of the confidence. So you have to develop confidence, you have to build confidence, and you have to believe on yourself, and that is going to help you to speak confidently. Thank you very much for being with me. I'll get back to you with another video. Take care. Bye bye.